Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here. For this section is quite possibly the last bit, the last clip, before we go into the intermediate stage. Because at this point you'll have a working game, and essentially what we want to do is create a duplicate of this one, and then we want to change this to you win. And we'll probably want smiles for winning, because this will be like the first sort of close of the level. And what we want to do is go and change this into a new tile. So we need a new tile that's going to be something that we can go and maybe jump into. Let's go make a tile. I'm going to go and just make something. You can make something yourself. It could be usual things like a door or a special sort of power up that's going to take you to the next level. So that kind of boost. It could be a portal. Think about nether portals and those kinds of things. I might go and steal that idea with the nether portal. And then I'll be back in a jiffy with something that I've made. So here we are with my kind of nether portal-ish. My 8-bit nether portal. I could have put some gold or something at the bottom. In fact, I could just do that right now. There we go, like that. In fact, I'm going to leave it and just give it a name, Portal 1, and I've saved it. Done. And then what I'm going to do is go back to my blocks and go into here and then change this into my Portal 1. So then you can see that it's coloured and it's lit back up again. Now what we need to do next is just pop it into the actual tile map itself and draw using my tiles, which are over here. Go and get the Portal 1. It should, if you hover your mouse over it, it should go and give it a name. And then I'll go and put the Portal 1 over there. There's my portal. So that when my cat eventually jumps into it, we should get a win and smiles, which is going to be changed later for a new level, of course, in the intermediate section. But just for this working game prototype, let's go and give it a play. And as I get to the end now, should come into the contact, and there's the portal in the corner. And it should, if I've done this correctly, because remember I made it incorrect last time, there's my win, and I get the confetti, and it should be the bubbles, but I've got the confetti, which is all good. Go and play test your game. Make sure you have a working game. Maybe think about some sounds, for example, if you want to go that far for this one. Check it out, play it, have fun, and always, as always, good luck. We'll see you in the intermediate section.